Greetings, Pokemon trainers. This is Professor Peony here with our third anatomy lesson. We are using our textbook, The Pokemonanatomy by Christopher Stoll, if you'd like to open yours up and follow along. We are on page 5, Venusaur. We're going to start off by doing something a little different today. We're actually going to go over the diagram on the left-hand side of the book. Starting at the top, the crown pictured here is a diaphragm-like mechanism that launches seeds and spores. Right below it is host tissue grows into the plant's central stalk, further integrating the two organisms. These beautiful, gorgeous pink petals, fully expanded flower indicates maturity, because as we remember from a few pages back, both of the Ivysaur and Bulbasaur's bulb are closed. The circulatory system is also featured right inside that stem stalk. Also, the leaves are maximizing the surface area to collect all that sun for its powerful moves. Inside, you can see the tendrils extract nutrition from the host digestive tract. You'll see some more tendrils around the eye and skull here. Plant tendrils complete expansion through the host body. And then you might notice these little bumps here on the Venusaur's skin. Plant tendrils bulge through the host outer skin. Lastly in our diagram are their little toes. Broad padded feet support the fully grown flower, because that flower weighs quite a bit. Onto the actual reading portion regarding our Venusaur. We're starting off in section 1, characteristics. Venusaur are the final stage of the Bulbasaur's life cycle and represent one of the most deeply integrated symbiotic relationships in the natural world. During their evolution from Ivysaur, the seed's core extends tendrils into all of the host's critical body systems, piercing the brain and completely subsuming the host organism's will. This alters the Pokemon's behavior and transitions them into a more sedentary lifestyle. In section 2, we have physiology. Although the bulb and the host are deeply intertwined, the two organisms cannot fully integrate at the cellular level. The bulb plant cells produce and store energy differently than the host. Even at this late stage of development, Venusaur are still two mutually dependent organisms. The plant cells in the bulb must be partitioned by a series of adaptive organ and complex biochemical exchanges in order to interact with the host cells. Venusaur's flower functions as a large muscular diaphragm and can catapult spores and seeds a long distance. The Pokemon's bulb can subdivide and eject smaller versions of itself at threats. These seed nodes weaponize Venusaur's symbiosis, launching onto other Pokemon and rapidly leaching internal fluids to increase their own size. These seeds cannot survive long on any organism besides their reptilian host, but provide a potent and deeply unsettling defense. In section 3 here we have behavior. Bulbasaur and Ivysaur are capable of reproduction, but Venusaur lay the most eggs during this Pokemon's lifespan. Before breeding, the seed core extends to a specialized vine in the host reproductive system, bundling each developing egg with a small symbiotic seed. Long before the egg hatches, this seed will begin to integrate with its new host. This ensures that the new generation of Bulbasaur will emerge into the world already engaged in a symbiotic exchange that has continued unbroken for millions of years. Last but not least, in the bottom right corner of your book are the key facts. It goes over some average size, the average lifestyle of Venusaur, and as well as the breeding of Venusaur. Breeding is a new section, as usually the third one in facts is abilities. And I wanted to specifically point out that females are distinguished by petal markings. Cute little tidbit. That brings us to the end of our Saurus studies. If you would like to earn your Bublanatomy Badge, all you have to do is send me a DM saying that you have completed the quiz questions from seed to blue. What this would entail is completing the Bulbasaur, Ivysaur, and Venusaur quiz questions in order to unlock and earn this mysterious badge. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and remember to keep on studying.